Gene of Ace Contracting and Services. It's been a while. I know. Just stuff going on. Other side of the business is taking off. So we do have to prepare this townhouse to get painted. So prep paint. Well, not prep paint, but prepping for paint requires me to pressure wash a whole bunch of stuff off. But I'm going to do something that I've been wanting to do for some years now. I bought one of these. All right, we're gonna break it down. We're gonna open it. It's kind of open already, but we're gonna break it down, see what we got going on, and then also we're gonna wash this house real quickly. So what we have here is just a small little townhouse. Gonna do this side right here only. But then under here, it's pretty dirty, pretty nasty. Cobwebs, dirt, a little bit of everything. We got some dead bugs, spider webs, dirt, spider webs, all this, all of that. We're just gonna get it going, right? Yeah, you can just take a water hose and pump up the sprayer, but why not buy a new toy and try to do it? So let's break this box open and see what we got. So as I mentioned earlier, it did kind of open up already. So what comes in the box is a handheld pressure washing gun. I did buy the one with the battery, so it did come tool and battery. Siphoning hose. It looks like a wand. A tip that has a turbo side, flip that around. Turbo side, 15-degree side, and a rinse side. Ooh. Charger, handle, and just like a clamp for it. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together and see what it's about. I know you're supposed to charge it before you use, but I should have a little bit of juice before I use it, straight from the box. So right there, obviously is where the siphoning hose can attach to. So let's attach it. It's in there. Once again, like I said, the siphoning tube. Looks like it has a little floaty device. That's where it comes out of, what goes into. And let me finish attaching this. Attach the wand to this end, push down, it snaps in. Just snap on up, this little, make sure the arrows match. Match up, there we go. And I am doing all this with one hand, so let's see. We'll start off with the 15, but it looks like we can always rotate it whenever we want to. Same thing. Make sure the arrows match. Boom. Should I put this together with one hand? That's awesome. Some of you may ask, how does this battery stay protected? There is a gasket right here, right? And you do have to clip this closed. Once again, I'm doing it with one hand. And it's safe, right? I did see that there is a spray bottle type thing. What is it called again? An adapter that you can kind of put your chemical in there and attach it to. But this time we're just using water because we're pretty close to a lake. There are some ducks, geese, and turtles that I always see around here, and I would hate to hurt them, so we're not gonna use that. You know the saying, you know better, so you should do better. It needs to be charged. I thought it had some juice coming out, it didn't, so let's charge it up some. All right, got it hooked up, let's go. It's on 15 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and spray. All right, let's switch to turbo nozzle. Turbo nozzle is working real well. Look at this. like it's way over there, and I'm still pulling water. Nice little hose. One thing I've noticed so far is that if your battery's not charged, it's a lithium ion. You'll know it's not charged. All right, well, let me go ahead and put this bad boy away, the phone that is, and continue cleaning. We'll check back in a second. Okay, let's try this again. Day 2. Kind of got dark on me and I had to charge the battery, so decided to just do it another day. But let's get back to it. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the turbo nozzle. It gets to do a little bit more. Also, it moves the water. So not only is it pressure coming out, but it's also rotating the nozzle, which has more movement to it. Don't know what happened there. With one hand, this thing does get tough after a while. I got it sitting up on my thigh. Let's go to the rinse nozzle, see how that works. Rinse nozzle. Oh, no pressure, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Even for rinsing, I'll stick with the 15. 15 is absolutely great for rinsing. All right, folks, as you can tell, I'm back at the house. That video was from, I say, about 2 years ago. Had it in my phone, never really did anything with it. It was taking up space, so I decided to, let's go ahead and put it out. Why keep it in my phone, wasting space? But long story short, that thing went back. I took it back that same day. I still had sunlight out. I went ahead and dried it, packed it up, and took it back and got my money back. That thing was no good. You might as well use a garden hose. That's it, might as well use a garden hose. So, took it back, did not like it. I'll stick to my pressure washer, a regular old-fashioned gas pressure washer. Gene of Ace Contracting and Services.